Hello, my students. How are you all? I hope you all are staying at home and enjoying our online classes. So today I will start with few basic theories of Hindustani music, means our Indian music. The basic theory will be giving you some knowledge about swaras, saptak, and gradually we will get to know about the other theories also. But today we will learn about definition of swaras, constructional uses of swaras, introduction of 7 notes, introduction of sargam, introduction of vikrit swaras, definition of saptak, kind and frequency of saptak, denote system of saptak. Swara or swar is a Sanskrit word that defines a note in the successive steps of the octave. More comprehensively, it is the ancient Indian concept about the complete dimension of musical pitch. A swara is the selected pitches from which the musician construct scales, melodies and ragas. The ancient Sanskrit text identifies 7 swara. The swara studies in ancient Sanskrit text include its different tuning categories of melodic models and the raga composition. The 7 notes of the musical scale in the Indian classical music are Saraj, Rishabh, Gandhar, Madhyam, Pancham, Dhaivat and Nishad. These 7 swaras are shortened to Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Dha Ni in Carnatic and Hindustani both. Collectively, these notes are known as the sargam, which means the word is an acronym of the consonant of the first 4 swaras. Sargam is the Indian equivalent to solfege, a technique for the teaching of sight singing. You can say Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Dha Ni is known as Do Re Mi Fa Sol La Ti in Western music. Apart from these 7 notes, there are 5 more swaras which called as Vikrit swaras in Hindustani music. The notes are Komal swaras 4, Re, Ga, Dha, Ni, and Kari or Tibra swar, that is Ma. Now I am going to show you the differentiation between the Shuddha swara and Komal swar. Means I am going to sing it for you to make you understand how to sing it. Like Shuddha swar. Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Dha Ni Sa Sa Ni Dha Pa Ma Ga Re Sa. That is all Shuddha swar. Now I will sing Re, Ga, Dha, Ni with Komal swar. Sa Re Ga 妈。 it's time to sing Kodima or Tivra Swar. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa, sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. Saptak means gamat or a series of 7 notes. It denotes the set of swaras sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, which comprise a musical scale in classical music. In Sanskrit, Saptak literally means containing 7 and is derived from the Sanskrit word sapta, which means 7. The basic saptak is called the Madhya Saptak. For notes with the lower frequencies, the artist may use Mandra Saptak, which is a lower octave than the Madhya Saptak. For notes with higher frequencies, the upper octave or the Tar Saptak is used. The usual scale of Indian music spans from Sa in the Madhya Saptak to Sa in the higher, means Tar Saptak. This inclusion of the first note of the higher Saptak makes 8 notes instead of 7 in each Saptak. Generally, a raga involves notes from 3 Saptak. The notes in the lower octave are denoted by an apostrophe before the note representation or a dot above the note representation. For example, you can see the S here means Sa, and under there is a dot. It means it is a Mandra Saptak, and there beside the S there is a apostrophe. It also denotes Mandra Saptak. And Madhya Saptak, no rectification is needed, only Sa or the note is enough to understand that that is a Madhya Saptak. For Tar Saptak, dot above the note or apostrophe beside the note.